Hey there, what's happening, guys? Welcome back to the storage unit. We're here on Easter Sunday, and you know I've got to go ahead and get my stuff packed up. Even with holidays, we're still working, right? That's what we're doing. We're doing the grind. Also testing out a new kind of camera. So, what do you call this thing? Tripod, selfie stick, whatever. But it follows me, which is pretty cool. So if I go over here a little bit, it's going to follow me. If I go over here a little bit, it's going to follow me. That's pretty cool. I really like it. And apparently if I go like this, it stops and I can walk out of frame. And isn't that neat? It's super cool. And then if I go like this, it's back. Look at that. Fancy stuff, right, guys? So I think I'll have to check on my phone real quick. I've got 3 orders on eBay going out, and I have 1 order on Depop going out. So let me go ahead and pull some orders. Let's go ahead and pull these orders like I mentioned. So like I said, I've got 3 going out on eBay and 1 going on Depop. The first one is a Nike hoodie. It's in Q, and I got this at Goodwill. I think I may have paid full price for, well, full price, but I remember it being cheap. I'm gonna say it was somewhere in the range of $5. But it's a nice Nike zip-up hoodie. So I think I paid like full price for this Nike hoodie. But I think I remember it being like $5 or $7. But it's sold for $18 plus shipping. Next item are some polo shorts. They're in C. And I got these marked as vintage. So yeah, I picked these up for a little over $1 at Goodwill. These sold for $10 plus shipping. Then the last big eBay one was this typewriter. This sold less than a day, less than 24 hours. You can see the picture on the screen, but I'm not going to take it out of here again. But this big vintage Brother Echelon 79 typewriter that sold for $75 plus shipping. Last item going out from Depop is a belt buckle, an Anheuser-Busch belt buckle. And I picked this up at a flea market a while back. I don't remember how much I paid, but I bought multiple belt buckles. Pretty sure I already got my money back. It's a pretty nice belt buckle. It's leather. Isn't that cool? This sold for $7 plus shipping. All right, let's go ahead and get this packed up. Right, so a couple of new things I want to start doing. I've had these stickers for a while that I've made. Just my logo, my couple different logos I have, Not So Slim Pickin'. And here's a different one. And I just recently saw these thank you kind of cards here on TikTok. They didn't cost very much at all. And I bought like 500 of them, somewhere around there. But it's just a little thing. It says thank you. Has a nice little message on the back, like thank you for supporting my small business. Your purchase made my day, all that good stuff. So I'm going to throw these in a sticker in each package. It's just, you know, something nice, something to remember me by. Hopefully they come back and buy something else from my store. But yeah, like I said, I bought these stickers a long time ago, and I really haven't been using them for like anything. So may as well go ahead and do that. So first thing going out is these shorts, and they're in the old bag here, so I'm going to put that non-suffocation thing on. There we go. We got sticker, we got a thank you. If I had a silver, and maybe write my name on there or something like that, that's all good. These are going in. And we get 11, 10, 4, 11, 10, 4. Where's my marker? It's my favorite thing when I lose my marker. Just freaking had it. There it is. 13 ounces, 11, 10, 4, 13 ounces. 13 ounces, 11, 10, 4. Shorts are going to Maryland. Next, do the belt buckle. Let's see, and then we get to use our other half of our thing. Gotta love that. Go. Goes in here. Thank you card. Sticker. We're going to fold that just like that. There we go. This is, let's say, 4 ounces. 9, 5, 2. 4 ounces, 9, 5, 2, and this is going to California. I've noticed that a lot of my Depop orders are from California. I don't know, I just find that slightly strange a little bit. Maybe like Depop is like a hip thing. Listen to the way I sound. It sounded ridiculous. In California or something that I'm just not aware of. Get this folded up a little bit here. Let's see if we can get it in one of these bags. Is that gonna fit? Yeah, it might fit in here. Sticker, thank you card. All right. 1 pound, 9 ounces. 12, 9, 5. 1, 9 ounces, 12, 9, 5. Nike is going to Indiana. Okay, here comes the big boy. I wonder if I'm... Here comes the big boy. So I think what we're going to do, we're going to put some bubble wrap in here, like that. Let's see if... I don't feel comfortable doing that. Okay, so we're going to get a big old box for this now. We're going to put bubble wrap on the sides here and over the top. And that should be good. Probably put a little extra filler. We don't want this moving around at all. Stick some down here. A little bit of cushion there. Just like that. Oh, I almost forgot our thank you card. Sticker card. There we go. If you are getting into reselling and you're selling a lot of stuff, and I've said this before, reuse your boxes that you get from your deliveries. I mean, I never, very, very, very rarely do I ever have to purchase a box. Well, besides my eBay ones that I purchase, but these big ones like this, I just save them. They come in handy. Let's get this measured up. We got 17 by 14 by 5. 17, 14, 5, and wait up. 17, 14, 5. 12 pounds on the money. 12.1. So 12.1. 12 pounds. 17, 14, 5. This is going to New York. And put another piece of tape right there. That guy's acting like he doesn't want to come off. There. That's a good one. Still kind of getting used to the rotation of this camera because I feel like if I move just the slightest, it moves with me. But I'm not too sure if that's going to end up being annoying whenever I'm doing what I need to do or not. But oh well. I also got some of these lights here. I guess we'll see how they do. There we go. Just turn this on. Or we'll put it on auto. There we go. Just little, they're not like super bright, but it's better than nothing. But I was thinking like putting them places where it's kind of dark. Maybe there. I was kind of thinking about doing it like here. I think I might just go ahead. If I ever take these down, I'd have to use alcohol to get the adhesive off. But what's kind of cool is that they're magnetic. So when I want to recharge them, I just pull them down. So probably get those set up real quick. And I mean, since it's still kind of light out now, you can't really see them. But I think I'm going to do another one right next to it on the other crack of the door. We'll try that out. So let me go and get my pictures taken. It's supposed to storm in like an hour. And because I want to be home well before that. But so that's what I have for you guys today. I appreciate it. It's pretty awesome. That typewriter that I picked up on Saturday sold within a day, less than 24 hours. And for 75 bucks, could have probably listed it for more, but it did have some dirt and scuff, like a sticker mark on it. And but hey, I'm just happy it sold. It's going to pay for everything else that I bought. That's a nice little flip. So keep a lookout for those guys. Thanks for watching. Give me a like and subscribe, all that good stuff. Appreciate you coming by, and we will see you guys next time.